Verbena flower plant is a winter's flowering plant, needs very less care, and in this video we will see some tips and tricks you can follow to grow a lot of verbena flowers in pots. We will talk all about its soil media, fertilizer, ideal spot and much more, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Verbena plant is a cool area flowering plant with an easy to care quality. It's a hardy annual flowering plant grown as a ground cover, making borders etc. It's native to tropical areas of North and South America and Asia. Verbena plant have a lot of color varieties. Their flowers have vibrant colors and they attract a lot of pollinators. Their plants are non-toxic to pets and kids. Some varieties can be eaten but mostly not consumed. Verbena plant is a great addition to our garden due to its low maintenance and hardiness. The first and the most important thing for growing verbena flowers at home is to understand its season. Verbena flower plant likes a moderate range of temperature, 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. In this range, verbena plant grow really fast. Once the weather moves towards the upper range, the plant starts budding and flowering. The growing season of verbena plants in a temperate climate region starts in the early winters and continues up to late springs. In summers, verbena plants dies because of rising temperature, while in cold climate areas like regions of USA, the growing season of verbena plants starts in the springs and continues all over the summers. It's because the summers aren't too hot like in other countries. As long as the temperature of your area is in the ideal range, verbena plant can be planted. You can grow them from seeds or you can simply buy their seedlings from any local nursery. They are common in winters and springs. Plant them in a 5 to 6 inches pot. It's enough for verbena plants flowering. Do the transplanting at a cool evening, not in the sun. Try not to damage the roots. Once planted, water and place in a bright shade. The plants will recover within a week and start growing. If the season is ideal, the growth will be fast. Just keep the soil a little moist. Within a month, your verbena plants will be budding and flowering. Enjoy their vibrant flower bunches all springs long and do subscribe to our channel. Another important thing to healthily grow verbena plants is their soil media. In an ideal soil media, the roots grow fast, spread all over the soil. But in a waterlogged mixture, the plant feels stressed and stops growing. Same way, a hard mixture limits the growth of verbena flower plants. To keep this right, choose a well-draining, slightly loose soil media while transplanting the seedlings. You can make such a mixture at home. Just follow the soil recipe from the description box. You can use this same soil for all kind of seasonal flowers. For watering, let the soil to be a little dry and then water. Never water if the upper layer of soil looks moist. A healthy mixture is that which dries out time to time. Another key thing for growing verbena flowers in pots is to place them in an ideal spot. An ideal spot means an area with optimal amount of sunlight. Verbena plant is a flowering plant and all flowering plants need sunlight to grow buds and flowers. In sunlight, more buds appear, big size flowers bloom, their shining colors are visible, and pollinators are attracted in such an open area. While in a closed space, low light causes a stunted plant growth, minimal budding and no flowering. Verbena flower plant likes a full day of cool sunlight, not the hot sunlight like in June and July. In a moderate climate area, verbena plants can grow well in a full day of winter's sunlight. While in cold climate regions, summer's sunlight is also healing, which is harmless for verbena plants. At least make sure your verbena plants receives 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight daily, and do subscribe to our channel. Another important thing in verbena flower plant care is its proper fertilization. Verbena plant is a moderate feeder, requires normal fertilization. You can use any nutrients-enriched fertilizer every 2 weeks. You can also make a flower fertilizer at home. Detailed video on this recipe is linked in the description box. It works well for all kinds of seasonal flowers. It has all the nutrients a flowering plant needs, so make it and use it at least once a month. One way to promote more flowers on verbena flower plant is the deadheading. The flowers of a verbena plant stays fresh and bloomed for 7 to 10 days. Afterwards, they start making seeds, so at this stage you should remove them, otherwise the seeds will form and plant will die after that. To get season-long flowering on verbena plant, the spent flowers should be removed time to time, otherwise the flowering will reduce. For collecting their seeds, let the spent flower buds on the plant. This is how they looks like. After 3 to 4 days, they will turn into yellowish color. You can open these seed pods and collect the seeds. This is how their seeds looks like. Each seed pod have 3 to 5 seeds of a verbena plant. Just save these seeds in a dark and dry area and you can grow them in the upcoming season of verbena plants. Verbena plant is a hardy and pest-resistant plant, but if you fail to care properly, some problems may appear. Powdery mildew, aphids, and spider mites can attack. Keep the soil moisture draining. You can also buy a good soil media from the description box. For pest, use Neem spray once a week to keep them away. Video on Neem is also linked in the description box. So it's all about Verbena flower plant care. Here is a detailed video on other of such hardy and low maintenance flowering plants of winter season. Feel free to take a look and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.